Hi, welcome to this video. How to use Manychat on Instagram. To use Manychat on Instagram, you need to connect a professional business or creator Instagram account to Manychat account via Facebook and set up automation triggers here by hitting automation at the bottom right. Okay, you have the new followers, conversation starters, basic stuff that you can run just to test things out. Okay. Right? And then activate flows to handle 24/7 engagement. Use it to automate replies, capture leads, and send direct messages automatically, boosting interaction. So I already connected my Instagram account, but in your case, when you want to run a bot, whatever, you can just go ahead and say new follower, and it's gonna show you what's gonna be like, right? And you can update permissions, right? Log in with Instagram. Right, continue. Add your own password. Okay, wait for a few moments. Save your login info, right? This is basically your Instagram account. Let me run like a different bot. Let's say the default reply. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead. Hold on. Set up new animation. And you can use comment, sort of reply, DM, right? Set up custom replies to questions you're always asked, like FAQs, whatever. Okay. Or switch to a new template, auto reply to all comments, auto DM links, reply to story, right, for instant link, send a freebie, like grow your email list, or book it in DMs, etc. Grab leads straight from IG stories. So that's I'm gonna use something simple like auto comment. That's set up. Okay, turn on comment. This feature is not available in my current plan, so you need to upgrade in order to do this. And that's the message text will be like, right? Hi there, so happy you're interested. Feel free to find details about my courses here, right? And add buttons like your courses link, whatever, and hit save at the top right. And press save and exit, and you're gonna run, of course, the bot. That applies to basically everything, like new follower, whatever, right? So previous automations and contacts stay right where they are, running just like before. So to continue, just update permission, or you could just go ahead and see, of course, your running bot. In my case, I don't want to run a bot, so to speak. Say so sort of reply. Okay, someone replies to my story or any story, and this reply should be any word of free action, and they will get a DM with a link, right? And write a message and add a link and hit next, and of course connect your Instagram if you're new, and basically that's it. And you can apply this to many AI tools, right? Replying to comments, replying to stories, grabbing leads, but you need to basically connect your account. Okay, so you can trigger DM when users comment a specific keyword on a post or reel, DM automation, story mentions. So common use cases is to grow followers, convert comments even when you're offline, 24/7 support, use automation for frequently asked questions, right? Best practice is to keep keywords simple and easy to spell. Ensure that correct permissions are granted during setup for full functionality. Consider liking this video, subscribe, and until next time.